Hello family, welcome back once again to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Family, today on our menu we have a simple yet delicious Ghanaian party donuts. You love this recipe and it's easy to follow, and I hope you try this out very soon. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video if you really appreciate and like the recipe. Okay? And if it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. Please stay tuned, watch till the end, be inspired, and let the family enjoy this recipe. It's so rich and literally melts in the mouth. Without further ado, let's get to the kitchen and begin making our Ghanaian party donuts. Yeah, into the bowl, I'm adding 3 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, and to that I'll add 1 teaspoonful of salt, 2 teaspoonful of baking powder, and 1 tablespoonful of milk powder. Now stir gently to mix everything together nicely to combine, and then family, you set it aside, and guys, we focus on the next step. All right, so into a new bowl you're going to add half cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to cream it until it's nice and fluffy with my hand mixer here. This is looking all nice and fluffy. I'm going ahead to add 3 eggs, but I'll add them one after the other. Okay, so first one goes in just like this, and I'll put the rest on the side and start whisking until it's again nice and fluffy, just like this. I'm going to add the next egg one at a time, whisk until it's nice and fluffy. It's also looking all beautiful. And again, I'm going to add the last one, and there we go. I'm going to whisk again until it's all nice and fluffy. Yeah, so creamy. Right now, what I'm going to do is to use my spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl and add them back into the cream or butter. And again, I'll use my hand mixer to mix everything together nicely, just like this. Guys, we are almost there, and the consistency is amazing. I've added 1 teaspoonful of nutmeg powder and now 1 teaspoonful of vanilla essence. You can replace the vanilla essence with your orange juice or orange zest, yeah, and you'll be good to go. You can also replace your nutmeg powder with your cinnamon powder, okay? Again, whisk to combine everything beautifully and nicely together, just like this. Smells amazing already. Cannot wait. So family, I'm going ahead to add my flour and my 1 cup of fresh whole milk. Yeah. And I'll add them bit by bit, just like this, but at the same time, yeah. Keep whisking to mix everything together nicely, but not for a long time to harden the batter up, okay? All we want to achieve is beautiful, smooth, creamy, and fluffy batter here, okay? And we are almost there, so keep watching and go nowhere. Okay, family, if you're enjoying the video so far and you love the recipe, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share for others to see. Don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. To join this amazing family, please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos here. In our family, at this point, everything is in and is well incorporated. So we're going to be dropping our butter into our hot oil. So with a clean hand, we're going to scoop the butter like this, and we will push it to drop them in the oil, okay? So right now, let's do that. Here we go. The first one is in, second one is also in, third one is in, just like that. Make sure it's not overlapping, yeah? Let them have their own individual spots to fry nicely, okay? So you keep doing this until all the batter is done, all right? Family, I love donuts a lot. Growing up, it was my favorite and it's still my favorite. This recipe is a must try. And I will be happy if you could bring me the feedback by tagging me on Instagram, commenting down below my Facebook and YouTube videos, all right? Ooh, family, we are almost done and I love the color like this. So we're going to bring them out of the oil. The house smells so amazing. You can smell the nutmeg, the vanilla essence. Wow, this is a must try recipe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mm. No matter where you are from watching this video, you can try this Ghanaian party donuts recipe out and you'll be amazed. You will really, really be amazed. And I'm sure you're going to be trying this out for your kids on their birthdays, for your family parties, or for any outdoor occasion. This is a must try recipe. After frying the first one, make sure to clean the oil just like this. Just clean in between fries so that the next donut batch will also be nice and beautiful. Just like this. Hmm. Hmm. Family, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video for others to see. Please help your girl spread the word and let others know about this simple yet amazing recipe, okay? And if it's your first time here, I hope you've enjoyed the recipe so far. So please subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, alright? I love the pointy parts. I love that. It's so crispy and I love that. Yeah. We are all done with our Ghanaian party donuts and the recipe is simple, easy to follow and so flavorful. Look at that. I love the pointy parts. Family, for more of these videos, please follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook and as I've said earlier, subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Okay? Also follow me on TikTok for more updates. Look at this beautiful party donuts. So rich, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So flavorful. Family, you need to be here. You can pair this with any juice or drink of your choice and it's so refreshing. Family, thanks for watching to this point. Now let's look how fluffy this donut is. Mmm, let's check it out. I'm loving it. So flavorful. Look how nice this is. This donut literally melts in the mouth. And I love the feel of it. Ooh, amazing. Family, thanks for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, take care. Mwah. Enjoy. Bye, y'all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.